Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another video. In this video I will tell you how to create a USB bootable drive. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and search power ISO get onto PC. You can see here is first website. Click on this. Now scroll down. You can see here is download full setup and password is 123. Now click on download full setup. After downloading you can install. Now you can see here is power ISO. Now click on and type your password 123. Okay. Now click on power ISO. I agree. Install next, close. Now you can see here is power ISO. Now click right click and run as administrator. Wait a 3 seconds and click on continue trial version. Okay. Now insert your pen drive. Now click on tools and click on create bootable USB drive. You can see here is okay. Now select your pen drive and select your Windows file. You can see here is click on Windows file and now click on start. Okay. Wait a few minutes. Now you can see here is write USB drive completely successfully. Congratulations, your pen drive is successfully create.